a garden in our house. There are a lot of flowers. I'm watering these yellow flowers. Flowers. Water the flowers. This is our grandma. She has purple flowers. She's watering her purple flowers. Look, this is a fountain. Water is coming up from the fountain. Fountain.
What else can you see in this garden?
I can see a lot of plants and flowers.
What flowers can you see?
I can see roses, beautiful roses.
What colors are the roses?
There are pink, red, and yellow roses.
Are these roses?
No, they aren't. They're daisies. Daisy, daisies.
Is that a bird?
No, it isn't. It's a bee. A bee.
Look, what's that? Is that a bee?
No, it isn't. It's a butterfly.
How beautiful!
A butterfly.
Oh, look, 2 butterflies.
Yes, 2 beautiful butterflies. Butterflies. Let's go. I will show you a secret place. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Here we are.
Wow, this is wonderful.
This is a lake.
A lake in a garden. Wow.
This is another lake.
Can we swim here?
No, we can't, but we can go sailing here. I love everything about our garden. The flowers, the fountain, the butterflies, the bees, and the lake. They're wonderful. See you next time. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more.